उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डार डार पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर भाषा, रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। Very fascinating morning to everyone. Presenting here, this is Tanya Gupta from Chhattisgarh Shire Public School, and I am speaking on the topic connecting India, economically, geographically, and culture. I would start by saying by telling that the topic has two aspects. The first aspect is connecting India to itself. The second aspect is connecting India globally. So, to the first aspect, let me tell you that I personally feel that India is already connected enough countries to support my statement. I would like to start with my example. NASA has recruited these scientists. It is found that the rotation of the Earth is O, and we have built our culture based on the geography of our nation. This is how our culture is connected to our geography. And when I talk about culture, how can I not talk about the Char Dham, the Haji Ali Darbar, about the Golden Temple, about the beautiful churches in India? This heritage tourism we have in India is developing, generating a huge amount of revenue. This initiative helping us to build the economy for this nation. So this is how culture connected economy of India. Now, how economy is connected to culture? Once we start building a good economy, once we start knowing what a good economy means to this nation, we would have not only lifted but educated candidates in our nation. And these people will be better for their culture, they build better culture, and they will take care of their culture. This is how India is already connected to itself. Moving ahead to the second aspect of my speech, how India is connected to other countries. Well, India is always been a nation that has been rich in natural resources and cultural development, and worked on cotton and you might get people the energetic youth of the nation. And that's why superpowers like US want to invest in our land, and when they come to us, they bring huge economical profit and bring huge development interest. This is how we connected to the world economically and geographically. Now after this, what happens when two countries get connected to each other? Geographically and economically, a change or exchange of culture happens. We attack their culture, they attack our culture. This is how India is connected economically, culturally, and also geographically to other countries. After this, when I think about India, the people who drink water in West Bengal from the river that comes from Himalaya, the people who of Mumbai enjoy monsoon or the monsoon that comes from Gujarat, and we have the second largest network of roads in the world, thanks for the 3% tax share of this country. I would like to say that India is already a connected nation. All we have to do, dear friends, to make this country stronger, to be active towards our government, to be active towards our responsibility, to work harder, show the world that India is a connected nation. And we are trying to fill the gaps between the two worlds. And do that, Indians are always grown to be loved, to be peace, and